red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. So kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use blue color. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for God. H. H for helicopter. I. I for ice cream. It's an item J and use yellow color. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. It's neither N. The alphabets of N and use green color. N for nose. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. It's neither R. The alphabets of R and use black color. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. It's neither V and use red color. V for van. W. W for wallet. X. X for telephone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. It's neither numbers. And first we draw 1 and use blue color. O and E1. 2. T W O 2. 3. T H R W 3. 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. It's night 6 and use yellow color. S I X 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10. Black color, yellow color, blue color, green color, red color, and white color. So kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use black color. O and E1. 2. T W O 2. 3. T H R W 3. 4. F O U R for 5. F I V E 5. It's night or 6. And U is yellow color. The numbers of 6, 7, 8, E I G H T 8, 9, N I N E 9, 10. The numbers of 10. It's neither 11. The numbers of 11 and hue is blue color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. 15. It's neither 16 and hue is green color. 17. 18. 19. 20. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color and white color. So okay, it's 9 draw alphabets and first you draw A and hue is blue color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for doll. Okay, it's neither E and hue is yellow color. E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan, G for God, G for glass. Okay, it's neither H. The alphabets of H and hue is red color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite. It's neither L. The alphabets of L and hue is black color. L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for monkey, N for nest. It's neither O. The alphabets of O and hue is green color. O for orange, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose. It's neither S. The alphabets of S and hue is blue color. S for sun, S for snack. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. It's neither V. The alphabets are V. And U is red color. V for van. V for vanilla. W. W for wallet. W for watch. X. X for telephone. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.